Well, howdy, third graders. I'm imagining that I can see all your wonderful faces out there. And if you notice my sign back here, I made this sign, Better Days. If you've heard that song, we're looking for better days. But we're counting our blessings right now. I pray that all of you are safe and well. We're doing well here. We're thankful for spring. We've been studying animals and plants. Lots of that going on outside. We've been studying dandelions. And I brought a dandelion from outside. It's it's kind of gone a little whoop, but that's okay because the main part that I want to show you, and if your parents let you dig up a dandelion or any other plants, but a dandelion has this really long root called the taproot. See how long that is? That reaches way, 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 way down deep. So whenever there's rain, moisture in the ground, it can draw that up through the root like a big straw. And it goes all the way out into the leaves. The leaves have the water that they need. And then the sunlight shines on them. And it makes its own food called photosynthesis. I hope maybe you've been able to plant some things. I was able to get some seeds. And I'm going to try to grow squash. We'll see how that goes. There's green and yellow. Now okra. Okra, if you want something to grow that's easy to grow around here that loves the summer heat, okra. If you like it, I love okra. And it makes beautiful yellow flowers. Even if you don't really like the okra that much, just watching the flowers that it grows, it's fun. But speaking of flowers, because okra, you've got the flower, the blossom. You have a blossom, and then where the blossom falls off starts to grow it's actually a fruit. We call it a vegetable, but it has the seeds inside. So the fruit of the plant, the okra. But sometimes you don't want something that you can eat. You just want something pretty. What kind of flowers grow well around here? One of them that grows really well is called cosmos. Cosmos. You can just plant it in the soil, get a pot, plant the cosmos. It loves the heat too. So I'm looking forward to the cosmos. And then zinnias. Zinnias are colorful and they're easy to grow. I've had a lot of luck with cosmos, zinnias, and okra around here. I also decided I wanted more bird friends around, so I bought this big container of sunflower seeds. That's a special kind of sunflower seed just for the birds. It's little black sunflower seeds. Now I'm wondering if I plant these, if they will grow into sunflower seeds. So I'm going to try that too. But see, it's little black sunflower seeds. And I'm hoping that I will attract, it's supposed to attract cardinals, those red birds, jays, finches, goldfinch, chickadee, and other birds. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get some of those. But speaking of sunflower seeds, I went ahead and bought, it's called a dwarf sunflower. That means it's shorter. You can get sunflower seeds that grow taller than me or you or your dad even. And I have done that, and they grow really well around here. Sunflower seeds are easy to grow. I'm trying a shorter variety this year with a big head, and those will be pretty. Easy plants to grow. Now, if you do plant in a pot, you either need to learn how to make your own potting soil. You can have your parents help you go online, or you can buy it. The dirt in the ground is harder packed together, and in the pot you've got to have a looser soil so those roots can get down into it. And so it's good to buy a potting soil. I bought an organic kind, which means there's no pesticides or anything artificial. It's all natural. Now you might be wondering why I have these leaves here. These are dandelion greens, and I don't put any artificial pesticides, any poison or anything like that on my lawn. I let the dandelions grow, but I did wash them thoroughly. I rinsed them off really well. And did you know that we're talking about habitats coming up and environments and ecosystems? Well, in the ecosystem, the animals need they need food to eat in their habitat, and dandelion greens provide food for animals like rabbits. Rabbits like the leaves, and they like the flowers. Well, we don't have any of these animals running around wild here, but hold on just a second. Here is my Mr. Knickerbocker. He's my really sweet little guinea pig that I did my pet project on. Mr. Knickerbocker loves dandelion greens. Let's see if we can get him. Look at there. See? He thinks that is delicious. So he just munches them right down, rinsed them off for him. So even though I buy lettuce for him, that from the store, I also can go out in my yard and get Mr. Knickerbocker a little snack. I just have to make sure I rinse it off really well. Haven't tried flowers for him yet. I'm not sure if he likes flowers, but he might. Are you not hungry? There he goes. Well, Mr. Knickerbocker and I wish you a wonderful week, and we'll be talking to you again. Take care. Bye-bye.